There's a lot going on in the market, so where is everyone? Let's talk the dog days of summer today on the Weekend Update. Okay, friends, let's talk about the dog days of summer. Here's what you need to know. First up, let's take a look at the market. This is the market the way we've always been looking at it. Red line is the S&P 500, purple is the 200-day moving average, and this orange line is still the 50-day moving average that I've got on our testing phase. And what's interesting is, well, we've pushed to new territory, new all-time highs, still haven't given us, I haven't at least, the all clear on the 50-day test. And one of the reasons for that is what's happening with volume. Now, we've been talking about this for the last couple of weeks, but volume is just sort of trailing off a cliff here. And it's kind of interesting because there's a lot of stuff going on in the market right now. You've got a GameStop frenzy. You've got an NVIDIA 10 for 1 split. You've got a Chipotle 50 for 1 split. You've got, my phone has been ringing off the hook for clients wanting to buy stocks and trade around. And so it's so interesting that institutional levels of volume on the S&P 500 are really drying up here. And so what that means when we see volume drop this much, especially with all this action that's going on in the market, it tells us that we can't have a high degree of confidence in what is happening on the technical side of the market. So price levels, moving averages, new all-time highs. You basically want to take all of this with a grain of salt because there really isn't anybody trading right now. And that was sort of anticipated. That's what we were expecting, at least all the way through probably the midpoint of July. Because of the way the calendar is shaping up with holidays and trading sessions and all the rest of this, I expect that this volume drought that we're going through is going to continue to get worse for at least the next month and a half or so. So what does that mean? Well, it means we'll probably see a lot of chop. We'll probably see a lot of big moves in the market that then get reversed. And it's a time where you don't want to trade too much. You shouldn't be touching your portfolio much. You shouldn't be looking at it much or making any sort of value judgments during this time because it's one of those times where the market can be a little less than reliable as to where it's going. So there you go. Dog days of summer. Where we've been for a couple of weeks, we got some news items, but continue to see everybody on summer vacation or doing something better with their time, which maybe is okay after how much market-centric stuff has been going on in the world. So there you go. I'll see you next week for the news review. Take care. Okay, friends, that was the video. Hope you liked it. If you found it informative, good, entertaining, I'd love if you could scroll down here beneath the video and give me a like there. It helps us out with the algorithm. And then if you want to be notified first of anything new that we upload to the channel, if you come over here, click subscribe, you'll be the first to know as soon as we upload anything. Appreciate it. See you soon.